We decided to start this project a few years ago, being that my family spends a lot of time entertaining in the outdoors. Wanted something more convenient and more appealing for gathering and entertainment. We were having problems with the drainage area in my backyard here facing the lake, and it was just a constant nuisance with the puddles of water and with the larger gatherings. You know, we were looking for a nice hardscape out here, and when I called Fun Outdoor Living, they sent Gage out here, which he designed this whole project for me, and listened to exactly what I had to say. Had the maple tree, the original deck stopped here, but we were looking to add the space without affecting the landscaping that we have. Well, I found out about Fun Outdoor Living at the Charlotte Merchandise Mart years ago with the home shows. We're contractors as well. The planning process was right on target in other words, we had to have gas run here. We had to have power run out here. We had to coordinate the landscaping with the drainage issues, as well as the design we had. So that process of planning and starting the project was fantastic all the way till the end. So I'm very impressed with that. Everything from the scheduling to the actual performance of the work, dealing with all the multiple contractors they had to deal with. I was very impressed and would highly recommend anyone who's worried about that process, just go for it. They've got you covered. I didn't dream this could all happen so quick, but it actually, to be honest with you, I just left for Florida for about 2 months. When I come back, bam, here it was. Now, what contractors can you do that with? Thank you, Fun Outdoor Living, all your staff, the communication, the ideas you give me I never would have thought about. The completion of the project, we've yet to have to call you back. Everything's performing fantastic, and you'll be hearing back from us and all my neighbors.